Welcome to another episode of This Isn't My Garage. And today is going to be the part 2 of the muffler delete exhaust system. I'm just going to touch base on a couple of things that went on yesterday. As you can see, I'm tack welding the exhaust piece. I'm tack welding the opposite side of the exhaust system. Shortly after the tack welds, I went ahead and started dismounting the exhaust. Here I am finishing up the weld on the exhaust. I'm making sure that I got good penetration on the pipe. The weld that I'm using is from Harbor Freight. It's a flex core welder. It actually welds pretty good. I was surprised. For the price, it was not bad. I paid like $94 for the welder. It's not the prettiest welds. I'm still trying to work out the adjustments on the welder. It's actually the first time I'm using it on the project, but for the most part, Harbor Freight flux core welder, it welds really good. Here you can see that I'm done. Doesn't look bad at all. And the procedure as far as putting it back in is just the same as you took it off. So I'll go ahead and I'll put it back on after I grind these welds down. I won't do a video on this. I'll just grind it down and then I'll install the exhaust, and then I'll turn the car on so you can hear what it sounds like. Well guys, as you can see, I customized my exhaust myself using the same existing exhaust that was hanging from the muffler onto the rear of the car. Here I'm making the hangers for the exhaust. Welding 2 pieces together. So I'm using the existing hanger that was using for the muffler. I'm actually weld the hanger here, bring it up through here, and use it to hold the pipe up. Well guys, this concludes the video on the muffler delete. I would like to tell you that I was inspired by Mr. Random himself. He was the one that inspired me to go ahead and do this video. I went and bought a Crown Vic and I turned around and did the muffler delete exhaust system, but I also challenged myself doing it without actually buying any pipes. As you can see, I still have the 2 new pipes that I purchased. They still in the garage. I didn't use them at all. I'm planning to use them on another project I have. But once again, this isn't my garage, which it isn't. I'm actually using my brother-in-law's garage. Thank God he's letting me use it. But don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. God. And that's just one bolt. Holy crap.
Oh, shit.
What?
Oh, shit. The fuck?
Oh, they in the trash?
Fuck yeah.
Oh. Oh, God.